delicious. Oh, hey. Oh, hey y'all. How you guys doing? I'm just over here enjoying some Pringles. Once you start, you can't stop, you know? Well, hey, I got some great engineering activities that I think you'll have a lot of fun with. And one of them is called the Stackable Chips Ring Challenge. All right? So the challenge is, can you take a whole can of Pringles and construct a ring out of them that seems to defy gravity? Well, if you're patient enough, you definitely can. And I'm gonna show you how to do it right now. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna build my ring, and then I'm gonna explain to you why it works. So all right, let's have some fun. Here we go. All right, friends, so to start this challenge, you need to build your base. And the way you do that is you take one chip, all right, and you wanna make sure those long sides are touching your flat surface here, all right? All right, I'll move it over here, there we go. All right, and then you're gonna take some other chips and you're gonna start stacking your base a little bit, all right? And it's all right if the chips are a little bit busted or broken, you know, it's not gonna really matter very much, all right? But you take your chips and then you want to take one more chip and you put it right there in the middle, just like so. Just like that, and now you have a base to work from. And this is where the ring, well, we'll get its support from, just like so. And then you just keep on going. Now, if you get broken ones, enjoy them, okay? But if not, hey, keep building your ring. And you really want to build a nice firm base, because if you don't, well, hey, it's going to be harder for your ring to stand up. So the more chips you got in your base, the better, all right? And so you just got to keep on going, all right? And you keep on doing that same pattern, all right? And you get some support in there, all right? And you keep on going just like so. All right, I'm gonna speed this up, so let's have some fun. Here it goes. Woo! Hey, I did it. I conquered the Stackable Chip Ring Challenge. Now, look, this was not easy to do because there was a lot of trial and error involved, all right, and lots of times the chips fell off and I had to figure out how to put them back on without knocking the whole thing over. So it was challenging to do this chip ring. But there now, you might be wondering, how is this thing staying standing? Why does this work like this? All right, but so there's a few concepts to cover here about how this ring is possible. And well, the way it is because, well, it's centered, it's balanced, all right? So it's not leaning left, it's not leaning right or to the sides. It's balanced, it has a center, all right? And also, so when the chips start getting vertical right here, well, because they're kind of bumpy and rigid, all right, and they're not smooth, well, hey, they got a little edge to them. They got some friction, all right? And that helps keep the ring possible so the chips just don't kind of fly off or slide off, all right? They grab onto one another, all right? And so the frictional forces on both sides of the chips help overcome those forces of gravity, all right? And that keeps the chip ring vertically standing, just like that. So, hey friends, I hope you had some fun with this. It took me about one can of this party stack of Pringles. All right, and hey, I made a Pringles chip ring. And hey, if you do one, hey, send me a picture. I'd love to see it.